Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can farm the Morph layer 2 airdrop. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So Morph is basically a zkEVM, which is like zero knowledge EVM, which is based on the Ethereum network. And in order to farm this airdrop, it's pretty much simple. So all you have to do is you will need to have two wallets. Now I will show you why you need to have two wallets over here. So the first thing that you need to have is a MetaMask wallet. Now, if you already have a MetaMask wallet and it's installed on the Chrome browser, then it's perfectly fine. If not, then you can go ahead and set up a new MetaMask wallet. The next wallet that you would like to have is Bitget wallet. Now, I will leave a sign up referral link in the description where you will be getting 50 BWB points and you would be also eligible for the Bitget wallet airdrop. So all you have to do is basically you will need to hold certain coins and tokens on your Bitget wallet and also do some swaps and refer some friends in order to get some additional points. Now Morph L2 and BWB is having a joint campaign where you will be able to earn some additional BWP points, and that is the reason why I told you to have MetaMask as well as Bitget wallet on your phone and on your computer. Now the next step that you will like to do is you will need to go to chainlist.org over here, and over here you will need to click on include testnet and search for Morph. Now I will leave all of the links in the description so it would be easier for you to directly click those links and do all the steps that I am mentioning in this video. So once you do that, all you have to do is you will need to go ahead and click this Morph testnet to your MetaMask wallet. Now once you do that, you need to have an account on Alchemy if you don't have one, and simply log into your Alchemy account and transfer some Cephalia Ethereum to your MetaMask address. So you simply have to copy your address from MetaMask, paste it over here and send some Cephalia testnet Ethereum. Now the next step that you will need to do is you will need to join the Discord channel. So as you can see, I have already joined the Discord channel, and you will need to go to Discord faucet over here and type this /faucet and just put in your MetaMask address over here, and then it will send some more Cephalia testnet tokens to your wallet. Now once you do that, once you have Cephalia Ethereum in your wallet, all you have to do is you will need to go to the bridge. So this is their official bridge over here, and over here you will need to bridge some Cephalia Ethereum to your Morph testnet. So I've already done around 0.7 ETH of this transaction. And once you do that, once the funds reflect in your Morph testnet, you can also withdraw those tokens back to your Cephalia testnet using this. So simply click on send Ethereum to Cephalia once the transaction has gone through. Now the next step that you can do is basically you can play around with Etherscan, and you can follow this link over here, which is Cephalia Etherscan. And basically you can check all of your transactions and the wallet by simply copy and pasting your wallet on the Etherscan on the Cephalia testnet. So this is some of the steps that you can do, because now all the Galaxy campaigns are completed. You will need to wait for next round if they come up with some new activities on the Galaxy campaigns where you will be able to complete those and get some additional rewards or maybe points. So this is all for this video, and this is how you can farm Morph L2 airdrop as of now. And in future, if something comes up new, I will keep you updated, maybe with a new video or maybe on the comment section. So in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.